Sun's kind of peeking out here in Oklahoma today. We didn't get any snow this morning, but did to the south of us. So I'll look and see how it looks today. Clear skies, man. The skies are clear. But looking good, looking good. If you would hit that like and subscribe button, and trying to build up my channel. But yeah, it looks pretty out there today. It's nice and cool. I think it's like 34 degrees. But go over here. Slide. Gonna just moving around a little bit. I like this, being able to record audio. But yeah. Let's bring her back.
Return to home.
It's going to take 50 more seconds to return to home. Let's see what happens here. Not much of a talker. We'll see. It's about going to make a turn here. Yeah, I can hear it. Going to come up over that tree.